Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are starting a brand new series called Streamlit Basics. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand what Streamlit is, why developers love it, and how it helps you build web apps using only Python. If you have never touched Python before, don't worry. If you have never heard the word Streamlit before, don't worry either. We are starting from zero. Let's jump in. So, what is Streamlit? Simple words, Streamlit is a Python tool that helps you turn your Python code into a website. Yes, a real website. One that people can open in their browser and click buttons on. Here's the cool part. You don't need to know website building languages like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to do this. You just write normal Python code and Streamlit turns it into a working web app for you. Think of it like this. Imagine you wrote a Python program that predicts tomorrow's weather. Right now, only you can run it because it only works inside your computer's code editor. But what if you want your friends, your teacher, or people on the internet to use it too? They don't know how to run Python code. They just want to open a link and use it. That's exactly what Streamlit does. It takes your Python program and wraps it into a simple website with buttons, text boxes, and charts, so anyone can use it without knowing any code. A simple, real-life example. Let's say you built a small Python program that converts Celsius to Fahrenheit. Without Streamlit, only you can run it, and only inside your code editor. With Streamlit, in just a few lines of code, you get a real web page. Someone types the temperature and a button that says Convert. When they click it, the answer shows up instantly on the screen. Same Python logic, but now it looks and works like an actual app. Who is Streamlit for? Streamlit is especially popular with data scientists who want to show their results as a simple app, students who want to showcase Python projects, beginners who want to build something visual without learning web design. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. 1. Streamlit is a Python tool that turns your code into a website. 2. You don't need HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to use it. 3. It's called a framework because it gives you ready-made building blocks. 4. It's perfect for beginners who want to build real apps using just Python. That's it for today's video. In the next video, we'll talk about why Streamlit is so much easier than using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly. If this video helped you understand Streamlit a little better, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next part, and share this with a friend who's also learning Python. See you in the next one. Happy coding!